Hello everyone. So, brake pads fitted the wrong way round on this VAG. If you don't know how to do the job, don't do it. It'd be like me fitting a new boiler and then blowing my house up. Very, very dangerous. Please learn how to do your job before you do it. Cheers, bye. Let's just see. Right, so, if you know VAGs, that's the inner pad for the other side. So that's an inner pad, I think. Yeah, that's an inner pad. For that side. Yeah, it was just fitted completely wrong. Oh my God. They need to just... How's that going to go back on without causing significant issues? Naughty. There you go. That's really, 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 really bad. So that pad's fitted on the wrong side. And that fitted... Yeah, so they're both fitted the wrong way round, but that's fitted on the wrong side. That's a near side inner. You should be able to slide it, swing it up.
Yeah, but...
You don't want to. Watch your palm of your hand. You'll damage it like mine. So I was just saying to Asa then, this, if it was custom what come in, this is obviously a friend, but it should be charged. It should be charged out, this. Let's see that one. So that's an outer pad. And that's an outer pad. But they fitted... That should be an outer offside and that an outer near side, but you can see, let me go and get the other pad. The pad has got a wear, so it's like a leading and a trailing pad, so that should be, that's your inner pad, and as you see, the pressure relieves here earlier, so the pad comes out quicker, but you can see that pad should not be going on. Whether people say it should or not, that should not be going on, because your pads are going to cut a new face the wrong way from the wear already. Look at the state of the disc now where it's only worn on the outer bit. If you're going to do it right, do it right. If you're going to do it wrong, don't do it.